conditioner right now. I'm doing a get ready with me today. And I'm just rubbing that through my fingers, rubbing it through my hair, making sure it gets finger combing it and brushing it through all my strands. And I'm just taking the water right now and I'm wetting my hair so more of the product goes through my hair and it's more movable, more versatile when I wet it. And now I'm putting that, Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, and I'm just about to rub that through my hair. And I'm just making sure I'm trying to get it through all my hairs, squeezing it together, and now I'm separating it, trying to get all the product through my hair. Rubbing it through, getting that scalp stimulated. We're starting on our eyebrows, and I'm concealing them right now. Getting them, carved out, and I'm just carving them out right now, and getting them all, on fleek, on point. And now I am putting concealer on my eyelids so that when I put on my eyeshadows, the colors will be more pigmented and they'll pop more instead of just without me concealing. And I'm just blending all that together. And now I'm setting my eyes and my eyebrows and getting that all, right up. Now I'm taking my Zodiac palette and we're taking that transition lightest shade in there. I forgot which one it's by, but it's one of the lightest shades. It's like a light beige color, just like a transition shade. I'm just blending into my crease. And I'm just blending that into my crease. And now I'm just packing a little bit of a darker brownish, reddish color onto my crease, and I'm just building up the colors as I go. And I'm taking a little bit more of a darker eyeshadow right now, and I'm building up my colors. And I'm doing the same thing to my right eye. It looks like the left eye, but it's my right eye. And I'm just blending that in right now. And that's the key. We just gotta blend, 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 blend. Because if you don't blend, it's just gonna look crazy. So I'm just blending it in. I'm trying to get them, you try to get them as even as you can, both looking the same. And then now I'm packing on a black shade. So as you guys can see, I only put a little bit on because you don't want to do it too much. If you just have a bunch of pigment of black and you just pop it on your eye, it's not a good idea because you got to build up those colors, and slowly but surely, you find the right color. And I'm just building it up with that black until I'm satisfied with how it's looking. You can just see that I'm doing that to my right eye. And blending, blend, 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 blend. And I'm just checking both of my eyes out right now, making sure they look close to even. And now I am cutting my crease. I'm still working on cutting the crease. Cutting the crease, it's a timely thing, just like makeup takes time. Life takes time. Like, it just takes some time to learn how to cut the crease. You can see I'm still, learning how to do it myself. But once you get the hang of something, you got it. And, I'm just cutting the crease. I'm taking this beautiful Libra shade and I'm packing it onto my eyelid. It's a beautiful purple shade, these purple vibes we're getting out here. And then I'm just packing it on with my finger because it comes out more pigmented. I think it comes out more pigmented and than using the brush. And I'm just blending both of those colors together so they just uniformly come together. And I'm putting on a little of that highlight shade on the middle of my eye, and it just makes everything come together. And I just like that little pop of light in the middle of the eye. And now I'm taking my NYX matte eyeliner and I'm lining up my eyes, doing that soleil right here, that wing that can be cut. You can cut anybody with this wing, okay? And I'm just slicing it up over here. And I'm just trying to fill it out as good as I can. Ooh, okay. And I'm taking that Infallible Pro Matte, but before I'm putting on some primer. That one's the One Heck of a Blot, I think poreless primer. And I'm just blending in my foundation. And now I'm putting on my concealer by Maybelline, shade medium, I think it is. And I was having complications with it coming out. You see me like staring into the abyss of the concealer. And now I'm just getting the main points that need to be highlighted and lightened up. And I'm just gonna blend that in with my concealer brush. And make sure that wing is on point. Can cut some vegetables, cut anything, cut anybody who messes with you. No, I'm just kidding. And I'm just concealing it up. And I'm taking that, banana powder and baking. Nope, I don't bake. I'm over here brushing it off, okay? I don't really like baking, so I just brush it off. And then I'm taking my BH Cosmetics contour, and I'm just contouring my nose and everything. And I'm taking that Leo shade and I'm just popping it on the inside, inner parts of my eye, so that I can pop, okay? It's like a pretty light pink shade, so it just like makes the inner part of your eye just look more open and wide, and it just gives it a nice look. I'm taking that Morphe palette, that brownish shade. It comes off brown in the camera, but it really is red. And I'm sorry, you guys, my ring light was in the background, and it just wants to take up the spot, but we still getting it. And I'm just blending all of that in on that bottom part with that shade, taking my little highlight, my Becca highlight, and I'm putting it on the highlighted parts, the eyebrows, on the nose, on the high ends of the cheekbone. And now I just line my lips, and I'm putting on, it comes off red on the camera for some reason, but it is like a dark purple. And I'm just, it's a matte color I'm just putting on. And now I'm putting on a lighter pink matte on my lips and blending that together. And I just gotta set everything off with this setting spray that's almost out, gotta squeeze out the last drop. And I'm checking myself out like, okay, we getting these purple vibes, girl, we getting it. And we fluffing it up,
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look right here. I hope you guys like it. I did a little bit of a curly hair routine with, a little look you can do for the day, or if you going out, or if you staying in. I don't know what you doing, but this is the look you can do, okay? And if you got curly hair like me, check out the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, because it really does make your curls pop, and then there's a one that's a little more expensive. It's the Pillow Soft Curls, and that one really makes your curls really feel like pillow soft, like they're not crunchy, they're not anything. And right now too, I use the Jelly Soft Curls, and it's still, you know, like you can still feel it, and it's very, you know, movable. It's not stiff. It's still, you know, you can see it. It just, you know, it just goes like that. So alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys stuck to the end, you guys are the best, like I always say. And thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe button if you guys like this video, and I will catch you guys on my next video. I love you guys.